This is Biotronix class 4 physiotherapy laser. You can see this is class 4 physiotherapy economical model. We have already made videos of premium models. This is our economical model. You can see the quality of the product. You can see the device looks like that with a touch screen, and this is the rotation knob switch, and this is laser applicator. You can see this is the laser applicator, detachable applicator. You can remove the optic fiber and place the same in any box, and then you can press insert the same also. So this is the detachable one and quite longer in length. I will show you the demo of the device. And this is the cold hammer. You can see once you are using the hot laser and the area becomes cold, after the treatment you can cool it down with the cold laser, cold hammer. So, and this is the stand where you put the both the things, and you can see this is the protection glasses. When you wear the same, you will see the red area, all the red area around you, and that it will protect you from the laser beam. So this is the doctor goggles, and in case you are treating the patient with laser therapy and you are putting the laser near the eye or somewhere, then you can put that for closing the eye of the patient, so the laser won't go in the eye. So, and this is the carry box of protection goggles, and this is the carry box of laser. You can see the quality of the product, the cushioning inside. So you need to put the laser in the same, and it is you need to tighten the same and lock the same. Like so, this is the carry box. You can see. Now I will show you the demo of the device. So, and it is the patient switch. You can see this is the patient foot switch. You need to press the same. The time you will keep on pressing the same, it will provide you the laser beam energy. The time you will release the same, the laser will cut off. So this is the foot switch. I am placing the same at the foot section, and now I will start the demo of the device. So I have already inserted the main cable at the back side. You can see I have pressed the main button, and it is showing 980 nanometer. The wavelength is 980 nanometer, and the power is 30 watt. It's come in the 20 watt as well as 30 watt. And the wavelength is 980 nanometer. You can see 980 nanometer, and you can see the touch screen, and you can look the quality of the product. When I press the same, I enter into physiotherapy mode, 980 nanometer diode laser physiotherapy. I press the same, I enter into physiotherapy mode, and now here you can see I can decrease the power in the multiple of 0.5. So 0.5 is the minimum power, and 0.5 in the multiple of 0.5 I can go up to 30 watt. So you can see 23.5, 24, 24.5, 25 and up to 30. So 30 is the maximum power, 0.5 is the minimum power. So, and also you can operate the same with this knob. You can see it is getting decreased, and as soon as I rotate the same, it is getting there. If I want to lower power, I went to the lower power in the second. 0.5 I selected. Now I will operate the device at 15 watt power. So 10 watt power. So I will give you demo at 10 watt. So this is the 10 watt I have selected, and this is the continuous mode. You can see, and this is the pulse mode. In the continuous mode, pulse and frequency parameter can't be changed because there is no need to change the same. You are getting the continuous frequency, and in the pulse mode you can adjust the pulse timing milliseconds up to 30 seconds, 30 milliseconds, or frequency up to 9 hertz, 1 to 9 hertz. So this is the pulse mode. I will operate the device in the continuous mode. So I select the continuous mode, and this is the times, how many times you are using the same. This is the current time is 0. When I press the switch and I use the same on my hand, it will show 1, and after the same, if I release the same after the treatment, it will count the same and 142. So this is the temperature section. Now I will show you the demo of the device by operating the same. I'm taking the laser applicator out, wearing the protection glasses, and you can see uh, I have selected 10 watt. I need to press start button, and this is the aiming section. If there are 3 dots over here, uh, if I'm not um, if I press the same, you can see 1 dot filled, 2 dot, 3 dot. So the lower the dot over there, like 1, the lower will be the focus, the lower will be the energy. You can see the same, and the maximum, you can see the difference. So the more aiming the level is, the more aiming the laser beam you can see. And if the aiming is 0, no output is there. And if I increase to 1, you can see the aiming is with lower level. So currently I am making the aiming as maximum. So you can see currently it is the beam coming out, but not the laser coming out. So once I start the program, and you can see beam coming out. Once I press the foot switch, the laser will start coming. So now I will show you the same. Also the current time will show 1 also. Now you can see I have pressed the same with my foot switch, and I am feeling the intensity of laser on my hand. So within the seconds I am able to feel the heat of the laser, as it is 10 watt, but still I am feeling a good heat in my hand. So I will keep on moving the same on the patient hand, and I have pressed the switch with my foot, and I will keep on pressing the same, keep on pressing the same, keep on pressing the same. Once the treatment will be over, I will take my switch out and the laser beam will stop. Now I am feeling the heat over here now. So after the treatment, or in between if I want, I can cool the area with the cooling hammer. So you can see this is the cooling hammer, and so this is the 10 watt power I have shown to you, and I have shown the same on my hand. I can feel the same on my hand. You can feel the demo at our office, and you can feel the device on your hand, and you can feel the device intensity and everything. But to show the same on the video call, I am doing one thing. I am taking that paper, and as it is the hot laser, I will show you how hot it is, and I will put the same beam on the paper, and you will see what will be happening to the paper. So I press the start key, and I press the foot switch with my. So you can see, as you can see, the paper is burning. The black area of the paper, the smoke is coming out, and it has started burning. So this is the hot laser, not the cold laser, and this is the 10 watt. The paper has started burning. So I will also show the same on the 30 watt. So now you can see it is the 10 watt, and now I pause the same, and I have selected the 30 watt. You can see currently I am not pressing the foot switch, and I have put the device on pause. So now I am increasing the power to 30. So the 30 watt power is that much high that it can burn the black paper, and it can ignite the paper also. The paper will start burning. So I will show the same in the video also. So this is the incredible device because it is a hot laser, and for cooling purpose you have the cold hammer also, and the distance doctor can decide accordingly from the as per the feeling of the patient, how the patient skin is feeling the laser, and you can go for the larger distance, you can go for the nearer. So as depend on the power also, or also the skin texture of the patient, so and the injury also. So now I will show the 30 watt. So you can see I start the same again, pressing it. So within the second I have started feeling the heat on my hand. So because it is 30 watt and I don't have any injury, I'm getting the enough good quality heat on my hand. Now I will show the same on the paper. Paper will be burning off, so I will start the same and burn off, and I will stop the light. So now again in the start position it is, I'm wearing the protection glasses again, and you can see, uh, now you can see I press the button, and this is, so you can see the paper is burning, and you can see the, so you can see it is burning. So I just burn the same to show you the intensity, because I just keep on focusing on that area so that it can burn. And while the doctor using the same in the treatment 30 watt, the skin not gonna burn. You have to keep on moving the same like this, and accordingly you have to adjust the nearer or further area, or you can decrease the power also. So that depends on the professional how he is using the same. And but I have shown you the intensity, because this is a hot laser. This is not the cold laser, class 3B laser. This is the hot laser, and hot laser intensity should be high. And how that intensity you are using on the patient, that depends on the professional. And by now you have seen, I have seen the demo of the 30 watt on my hand also. I'm still feeling the heat on my hand, and I have burnt the paper also. So this was the demo of the device, and this is the quality of the product, quality of the beam also. And you can see, so this was the complete demo. And the device is available, so I need to press the first key. The device is available with us at Biotronix here International. You can purchase the same on our website, or you can contact us. You can share your WhatsApp number, or you can contact our sales team. Our sales team will share all the details related to price and everything, and all the inquiries related to the same. And do subscribe our channel, and share our video as more as you can share with your colleague or physiotherapist or other professional related to the same area. And do subscribe our channel, because we are continuously making videos, complete demonstration video and everything explaining in that video for all the latest devices. Like we are also doing the same in future, like exoskeleton and other devices. So do subscribe our channel so you will get the notification and all. Thank you for watching the video.